Greetings, Lesley community. My name is Gloria Noronha. I joined Lesley University on January 9th as your Vice President for Equity, Diversity, Inclusion, and Justice, or EDIJ for short. In these last 2 months, I have spent my time meeting and engaging with the wonderful staff that work in the Office of EDIJ, and meeting and getting to know you more about the people, staff, faculty, and students, and the places that make up the uniqueness of Lesley University. My hope is to bring frequent updates to you, so please stay tuned for things like our monthly newsletter and EDIJ calendar. Today, I want to personally invite each and every one of you to our Office of EDIJ open house this Friday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 29 Mellen Street on the Doble Campus. Our Lesley facility staff and our IT have been working to get the new office space ready, and we are so excited to share how the community, especially our students, can engage with the new student lounge space. Culture, inclusion, and belonging. These are core themes to our reviving and evolving processes in the office, and we would love to hear from you and engage with you. In closing, for those observing religious or holy days as we close out March and enter April, I wish you peace, light, and eternal blessings. I hope to see you all on Friday at 11 a.m. at 29 Mellen on the Doble Campus. Happy spring!